The Springfield XD, like many of the newer polymer frame guns, was designed with a minimum of parts to make it incredibly reliable and easy to maintain, even when used under the harshest conditions. In this series of videos, we'll show you how to field strip and clean the Springfield XD and XDM pistols. Then we'll take a look at the areas that need lubrication for proper function and finish up with the reassembly sequence and function testing. Before field stripping any firearm, you first want to check to make sure the gun is completely unloaded. Begin by removing the magazine and locking the slide in the rearmost position with the slide stop. Then visually and physically inspect the chamber. Once you're sure the gun is empty and all possible ammunition sources have been removed from the work area, disassembly can begin. To take down the XD pistol, lock the slide to the rear, then raise the disassembly lever clockwise to the 12 o'clock position. Now, with the muzzle pointed in a safe direction, draw the slide back just enough to release the slide stop, bring the slide forward, pull the trigger to release the slide, then ease it off the frame. With the XDM design, it's not necessary to pull the trigger and the slide will come off without dry firing. Now we can place the frame to one side and work on the slide. To strip the slide, grab the rear end of the recoil guide rod and pull it away from the barrel. Be careful while doing this, as many of the XD recoil springs are captured, but some, like this one, use an open-ended guide rod and will want to go flying unless you keep them under control. With the recoil spring out of the way, the barrel can be pulled out of the lock position and rearward to remove it from the slide. Further disassembly is not recommended by the factory and not necessary to clean the gun. At this point, the gun is field stripped, and in the next video, we'll be covering proper cleaning.